Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, let us begin with the chapter number 28 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is comprehension. Right? So, इस chapter में we are going to read about the comprehensions. अब ये comprehensions होते क्या हैं? Let me tell you very quickly. So, comprehensions are the small paragraphs or the short paragraphs, या फिर कह सकते हैं कि एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी भी होती है, राइट, जिन्हें हमें रीड करना होता है और उस रीडिंग पैसेज के बाद कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए होते हैं जिनके आंसर्स उसी पैसेज में छुपे होते हैं जो हमने अभी रीड किया है. So simply we have to answer those questions after reading the passage, right? So this is known as the comprehension. अब जल्दी से चैप्टर को शुरू करते हैं और जानते हैं कि कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में और क्या क्या चीज़ें हमें दी गई है, राइट? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन मीन्स द एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का मतलब ही होता है एबिलिटी टू अंडरस्टैंड, यानी कि हर चीज़ को समझने की क्षमता, राइट? Reading comprehension is an exercise that trains students to understand a language. कि reading comprehension एक ऐसी exercise है जो कि students को help करती है ताकि वो एक language को समझ सके बहुत अच्छे से, right? Now, moving ahead, we have the first paragraph, right? And after that you can see we have questions also. तो जल्दी से पहले इस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ते हैं और फिर जो नीचे क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं उन्हें आंसर करने की ट्राई करेंगे. सो रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली एंड आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. जल्दी से इस पैसेज को पढ़ते हैं और फिर इन क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करते हैं. सो द रामायण इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलरली रेड बुक इन इंडिया, and by far a large number of people read and recite it with devotion. However, few people appreciate one aspect of its greatness, that it places before us the high ideals of human conduct that should prefer death to going back on his words. Ram renounced to his kingdom to embrace hardship of forest life, and Bharat reduced himself to a faithful custodian and worshipper of his brother's rights. Likewise, other characters stand second to none in sacrificing their selfish ends to do good for the welfare of the society. Perhaps most of the evils of the society can be eradicated by following the ethics as enunciated by the characters of the great epic. Right? So, we all read the paragraph. Now, very quickly, let us begin with the question and see that whether we are able to answer them or not. Right? So the first question is, what do people read and recite with devotion? Right? So we have seen that Ramayana is the most popularly read book in India, and by a far large number of people read and recite it with devotion. Right? Next, the question is, what did King Dashratha prefer? Right? So what did King Dashrath prefer? So we can see King Dashrath preferred death to going back on his words. Ram renounces to his kingdom and embrace hardship of forest life. What did Ram do? So we all got to know. The answer is hidden in the paragraph only, and it is here. Ram renounced to his kingdom to embrace hardship of forest life. Right? Next, what was the sacrifice of भरत. तो भरत का sacrifice क्या था? Bharat reduced himself to the faithful custodian and worshipper of his brother's rights. Right? Next, what would happen if people follow the high ideals of social life as depicted in the epic? Right? So the answer is perhaps most of the evils of the society can be eradicated by following the ethics as enumerated by the characters of the great. Moving ahead, as you can see, we have one more question. It says, write the antonyms of the following words. Antonyms means the opposites. Correct? तो हमें इन सभी words के opposites लिखने हैं. So let's see. So the first word is end. End का जो opposite है, it can be begin. Right? Next, it's great. So, great का जो opposite है वो क्या हो सकता है? It can be foolish. Next, it's large. Large का opposite हो सकता है small. Next, it's faithful. Faithful का opposite हो सकता है betrayal. Right? So, that was the comprehension. As you can see, we have a lot more practice questions for you all over here so that you can read the comprehensions and improve your skills so that you can even do these comprehensions without facing any kind of difficulty, right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.